Alright, it's the inverted reality, back here once again. So, in light of the recent events that have been occurring throughout the country, primarily in the area of New Jersey, with UFO sightings, I want to show you, this is the Nikon P900, as you can see there. I want to get a side profile on both sides. There's also the P1000 as well, but both of these are out of production now. Very ironic how that works, huh? Very convenient. And what's great about these is it has a telephoto lens, right? I brought this primarily to be able to document paranormal events, UFO events, if you will, from a good wide range of distance. Of course, you can see there it has 2K millimeter range. Again, quite substantial for the price that you get it. I think I got it on eBay. I think it was maybe $700. This is back in 17. Now, these are very rare, so I would highly recommend for those that are investigators, for those that want to be able to document strange events, and also have a camera that's not only able to record, but has telescoping capabilities. Now is your time to get it. That's your warning. Because right now they're out of production. So pretty much all the ones that they've already produced, that they've already manufactured, once it's gone, unless Nikon were to decide to put it back in production, which I highly doubt, by the way. But at the very least, you're going to be able to document it with this, be able to have it in your archives, so you have proof that this is not just some hogwash, it's not just an X-Files episode, this is real life. We're actually living in it, we're experiencing it right now. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks. Signing out.